chose chemical engineering because I wanted higher education with a strong focus in innovation and research, and aalto offered me exactly that.
I chose aalto-chemical engineering because I wanted to use biotechnology to contribute to a more sustainable world, whether to cell cultured foods or renewable biofuels. When I looked at the program of aalto-chemical engineering, I realized that I'd be studying towards these exact goals, but with a much more solid foundation in mathematics, programming, chemistry, and materials.
Flexible credit system and freedom to choose my minors were also the big reasons why I chose aalto, so that I can mold my study based on my own preferences.
You do this properly. Hold on a second. Our curriculum approaches chemical engineering entirely from a sustainability aspect. We want to prepare our students for current, but in particular for future needs. For these reasons, our students develop a so-called T-shaped profile. They have very strong knowledge in their core competence, chemical engineering paired with programming and mathematics, but also a broad understanding of other disciplines, such as design and entrepreneurship. We believe this will prepare them for future in-depth master studies or to join the industry directly.
I like that I have flexibility in organizing my own schedule, taking courses as I wish, and dropping the course if it's needed. The whole vibe here is quite relaxed, and the professors are quite approachable, which has really helped me in my studies here.
The best part about the student community is that we all come from very different backgrounds and have very diverse life experiences, but we all have very similar goals, and everyone is curious and motivated to make the best of their time and learn new things.
I really like how friends value their personal space and quiet time. As an introvert, I feel like I don't have to force myself into the small talks with them, but if you want to, they're always welcome. I would definitely recommend my program to you if you're looking for something broad and flexible where you can mold your own studies to your personal needs. I believe the program offers a good balance between practical and theoretical knowledge.
It's just 3 more lines. I should get going with this. We need bold game changers that can adapt very quickly to changing markets and newly emerging jobs. In addition, our society is rapidly changing under the influence of artificial intelligence. So our students will learn the basics of machine learning and artificial intelligence to use it responsibly, but also very efficiently.
Don't forget to have fun while working hard. Also, don't forget to stay curious and ask questions to your teachers. Chances are you're going to get a lot of valuable and, frankly, really cool insights.
Are you relieved?
Kinda.